just gonna clean the rim of the dad's truck, and this is what it looks like right now. So we're gonna see what's the result after you've done. Okay, we'll see if you get a good job in cleaning up.
There's a huge difference.
We'll find out. All right, keep working. So dad's gonna be happy when he get home. Remember, you need to be careful. I don't want you to get a cut.
It smells so good for some reason.
I like the bubble smell, that like a bubble gum.
Master wipers.
Now, remember, when you clean or wipe clean, shining it, you need to make sure that it's really shiny good.
Wiping
Your best work. You hear me?
so far, so far. I don't know if it's shiny or not.
We will find out. 10 years later.
I don't know if it's getting shiny.
It will. Let's see if I'm not sure with this. It's alright, but you see here, you see this here. You need to wipe it good, like push a little bit to make it shiny. You hear me? Not really bad. Unlike mine. Well, let's compare mine and yours. Oh, look at mine. It's shiny. Finally, we're done. See if it's a teamwork or a tag team. The job will be done as quick as we can. Thank you for helping Al. Dad's gonna be happy when he get home.